Soulmate spell, attracting true love. Stop wasting time with the wrong person. Time to meet your true love. For today's video, I'm going to show you steps to do a soulmate attraction spell. It works only if you truly believe in its magic power. Clear your mind and join me for a few minutes while I help you attract your divine soulmate. But firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. 1. Light an incense stick. 2. Cleanse the inside of a small glass jar with the smoke from the incense stick. 3. Put dried rose petals in the jar. 4. Pour cinnamon cuts in the jar. 5. Pour dried cloves in the jar. 6. Add protection herbs to set boundaries of protection around you. 7. Next is dried golden seal root. 8. Prepare your intention. 9. Write it out on a small piece of paper. 10. Fold that piece of paper and put it into the jar. 11. Cut a paper heart. 12. Write your name or draw anything you want on it. 13. Stick it outside the jar. 14. Place a red candle on the top of the jar. 15. Put the jar on your altar. 16. Light up the candle and pray, "All this and even greater, I now accept, wholeheartedly and with love. Through God and with God, so may it be." And so it is. 17. Snuff the candle out when you are satisfied. 18. Say, "Thank you," to the universe for hearing you. It's important to approach this exercise without desperation or anxiety. Be light in your approach. Have fun with the exercises.